Okay, so now we have a different set of code running on the FADEC. This is a demonstration of all the mechanical functions on the cart as controlled by the FADEC via the relay blocks and also the pump drivers and low side relay drivers integral to the FADEC. That'll be running the fuel pump briefly with no fuel. That will be running the ignition, which we can hear. That will be running the starter engagement solenoid, and that will be running the start fuel solenoid. And then finally there will be a simulated start sequence only with a small amount of starter fuel. That's a small amount of butane meant to heat the combustor. So the engine won't be starting, but we'll hear the ignition of the starting fuel, which will demonstrate that all the systems function well together. So turn it on. We get the fuel pump ramping up and ramping back down. Hear the ignition coil running for about 5 seconds. You can hear that coming from inside the combustor. We get starter engagement, start fuel. And then we just heard some ignition. And you can hear that there is a small amount of fuel burning inside the combustor, the starter fuel. And now we'll have starter motor ramp up and then turn off. So it's a simulated start. And that's it.